So this is for parents that want to speak more Gaeilge with their children, and if you're a parent and you want to help your children with their obair bhaile or their homework, I have some phrases that will be useful. So the first one here, we have an bhfuil ein obair bhaile agat. An bhfuil ein obair bhaile agat. Do you have any homework? Okay, so if you're speaking just to one child, agat would be at the end. If you have a couple of children, you could say a guibh or agi. So an bhfuil ein obair bhaile agat nu a guibh if you're speaking to more than one. Okay. An bhfuil cúna uat or wet. An bhfuil cúna wet. Do you need help? Cúna you can swap out to coward, help as well. So an bhfuil cúna nu a coward wet. Tá or Neil. That's a handy one. An bhfuil the leabhar nu the chópleabhar agat. So leabhar being book, chópleabhar being a copybook. So an bhfuil the leabhar agat nu an bhfuil the chópleabhar agat. This is really nice if you want to praise your child. You say mahu, well done, mahu. Or if you're speaking to a couple of children, mashiv, mashiv. Okay, so some more phrases here. Cá bhfuil, where is. So cá bhfuil the bhaile gaibre. So bhaile gaibre is a worksheet. So where's your worksheet? Cá bhfuil the bhaile gaibre. An bhfuil sé éasca. An bhfuil sé éasca. Is it easy? An bhfuil sé éasca. Next question. An bhfuil sé dacad. An bhfuil sé dacad. Is it hard? Is it difficult? Is it hard? An bhfuil sé dacad. And the last one here. An bhfuil d'obair bhaile dionta agat. An bhfuil d'obair bhaile dionta agat. Have you done your homework? Má tá si begin níos mó Gaeilge ólam, leannig I mé an na man hóisialta agus feic me sa gcéadéis sin si bh chairde, slán go fólín.